Sautéed zucchini is a quick, easy, and healthy side. I love this version with garlic and butter. You only need 5 minutes of cooking time and it's time to eat. It's up to you as to how you cut the zucchini. You can slice the zucchini into rounds, cut into half moons, or chop into bite-sized pieces. In addition to the zucchini, we need to mince 3 cloves of garlic and slice 1 scallion. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste.
Melt a tablespoon of butter in a wide skillet over medium-high heat. When it is melted and bubbling, add the zucchini and minced garlic. Cook, stirring occasionally until the zucchini is browned in places and tender in the middle.
Turn off the heat, and then to make it extra special, stir in the sliced scallions, add a squeeze of lemon juice over the top, and grate in some Parmesan cheese. Season the zucchini to taste with salt and pepper, and then serve. And that's it. Extra easy, delicious sautéed zucchini. As always, you can find the full recipe on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.